Good morning, my friend. We are just getting up. We're tearing down camp and putting all the stuff into the back of the car, and then we'll be on our way for our first day of hiking. Excited, but also kind of winded because, you know, we went from like 2,000 feet up to 10,000 feet in a small span of time. So we'll see how fast we can get this done. But so far so good. And yeah, if you got any questions about this place or the hike we're doing or camping or anything, let me know. I feel free to answer as many people as I can. So, all right, we gotta get this crap done. So, see you later. Well, all right, guys.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Here we go. This is the start. We gotta go up here, and then yeah, 8 miles, I guess. 8 miles of uphill. So should be pretty good. We'll get going. Oh yeah, here we go. Whoa. Yep. And it starts.
This pace.
All right. Everyone wants to go fast. We'll see how long this lasts for. Poop, poop, poop. Well, we are in the middle of it. And whew, it's a decent hike so far. A little winded, but I still got like an hour and a half or something to take a rest. So keep on. All right. Hey, don't mind me. They stopped. All right, guys, we got to our first water crossing, and it's not that deep, but it should be fun. It's not that long either. It's just like bloop. I putting on the water shoes and gonna go. I haven't put mine on yet, but. Alright, guys, we've changed into our water waders. We've lifted our pants a little bit. We're gonna carry these across, and everything should be good to go. So let's do it. Wow. Yeah, it is. Okay. Good luck. Oh, it actually feels really good, man. Oh, big rock, small rock, big rock. Hooah! Slipped a little bit. Go, we got it. Can't feel my feet anymore. All right, hold on. Oh. Okay, almost there. Okay, hold on. Oh, my foot just got smashed in between that rock. Oh. Okay. Woo. That was nice at first and then really cool. Woo, my feet are. Alright, well, that was the first one. It's pretty fun. My feet are kind of cold now because the water is running and it's really cold, but we can go ahead and do it. Yeah, until you get about halfway through and then.
Except for my feet hurt.
Yeah, your feet are freezing. I think it would have been a lot easier if I had some poles. Yeah, and then you have a bunch of like small rocks on that side and then they become big boulders on this side. You got it. You got it. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job. He said that was cold. All right, so that was fun. You know, we got across it. We're waiting for the other guys there, and I'm gonna put my shoes on, socks on because my feet are super cold. Put my pants down, and then we'll do more hiking. Look at this beautiful area. Woo! All right, so we're waiting for them to come across. I'm just gonna go ahead and video them so they got it. So we're gonna do that. They're about to make it. telling him about the current, how to traverse it.
You'll go numb about 25% in.
It feels really good at first, and then your feet start going numb. The big boulders are on this side, so definitely watch your step on this side. Yeah, just give him a little room, Gabe.
What?
Just let Ron get a little bit in front of you.
Give him just a tad bit of room.
There you go. That's good. That's good.
You're at the hardest part now.
Because you gotta also take into account that I'm afraid of water.
Yeah. And find your footing before you move, because it's going to be a lot of slippering.
You're afraid of water, Ron?
Yeah.
Good job, Ron. Good job.
Twice.
It's a healthy respect.
Does that include the time that
You got it, Gary.
I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning? No.
Good job. Good job. There we go. Woo woo! Everybody made it. He's talking about the time where we tried to swim out to the middle of Table Rock Lake to like the first post of the bridge, and he got all the way out there, but he couldn't make it back and started freaking out, and I had to save him and take it back. So, good story. Oh yeah, nice. So maybe I don't know, a couple miles in, and it's uphill now. So, whew, let's go. All right, my friends, we have been in it for a while now. And I told the other guys to go ahead and go before me, because I'll probably slow down so I can take some of these videos and stuff and kind of enjoy the scenery. I think we got, I don't know, 3 or more hours of hiking. So, all right, probably only stop when there's like interesting stuff. So, you want to see? Super cool. All right, probably see you like an hour or two, maybe. For you, it's gonna be next. So, hang on. Yeah, man. You doing good?
Oh yeah.
Guys, look at these boulder things that we ran into. Feels like the trail's pretty nice, and then there's just a whole bunch of random boulders here. Oh, that's cool. So we're gonna stop for lunch, and I think it's still like another hour. So I said that would probably be the next one last time, but that'll probably be the next one. So let's keep going. Good hike.
This is our playground for the next 5 days.
It's a playground for the next 5 days. It's almost there. Maybe got like 20 minutes or something. But this view. Just want to show you the view.
What? Right?
Woo boy. So close we can taste it. It's almost there. Almost there. Almost. Almost. Yeah, I wonder if you didn't know we were gonna stop and eat here.
Well, he said he'd meet us at the lake.
Oh.
So.
Nice. Woo. So pretty. I put my mask up because my neck was getting a little burnt, so it'll be good, hopefully. Well, we're not lunching yet, but take a little break. But look at this view here. It's pretty sweet. Just want to sleep for like 10 minutes. Really long hike already. We haven't had lunch yet. Should be having lunch here in half an hour. We were supposed to have lunch at the last one, at the last stop, but one of the guys that's with us didn't stop there and waited for us, so we're gonna meet up with him and then we're gonna eat. But man, this view and this hike is amazing. Amazing. Well guys, we finally made it to sit down, have some food, and everybody decided they wanted to look to see if we could find a nice camping spot. So just kind of chilling, watching all this stuff while they go and look to and there we go.
Alright, we're going that way.
Alright my friends, we made it to where we're gonna camp. It's a nice spot. It's a nice spot. We do have some campers right there, but we may or may not go up the hill a little bit more to change where our base camp is. We just didn't want to go anymore because it's been about 8 hours of hiking and everybody's pretty tired and hungry. I think it's just time to make base, put up our tents and chill out, have a couple drinks, eat some food, and then, you know, pass out because it's really long hike. So that might be it for today. I'm not sure. If there's more after this, okay, there's more. If there's not, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one, which will be tomorrow when we decide where we're gonna go hike. So, see you.